Hi, how's it going? Boiling hot day in Athens today, between 34 and 36 degrees, but all good. Okay, quick recap on the juggling. Here we go with pattern 1. Cascade. Reverse cascade. Columns. Okay. In a little while we'll look at clubs, but first of all, two things. One of the most difficult patterns that I know how to do in 3-ball juggling is called the shower. And the way to practice it would be to go back to the 2-ball juggling we did a few days ago. Remember this one? There you go. See that? So you're doing kind of a circle, right? You get 2 balls. This is difficult, but practice makes perfect. You get 2 balls and you're going to go 1, 2. Hang on, I'm just temporarily, watch, 1, 2. Again, watch, 1, 2. But you're going to do that whilst you've got this 3rd ball here, watch. I'm just going to do it. Again. So in your dominant hand, 2 balls, throw them up. Very difficult, but practice makes perfect. It's very difficult to do the opposite way to your dominant hand. I'm going to try it, but no promises here. Fingers crossed. Obviously good jugglers would do this, no bother. Okay. And then just 2 other things for today. Tomorrow I'm going to look at my first little bit of 4-ball juggling. I can only do 1 pattern. The secret to getting 4-ball juggling is this. We go back to juggling 2 balls with 1 hand, and we're going to go like this. It's going to be kind of catch on the ball, comes down on the outside, throw on the inside. Ball comes down on the outside, throw on the inside. Watch like so. And give yourself a little bit of height to slow stuff down, okay? Practice that with your dominant hand, then with your less dominant hand. It's difficult, but practice makes perfect. Then you get 4 balls, and you're going to stagger. Alternate, oscillate, stagger, whatever you want to call it. So it's just that pattern with that hand, this pattern with this hand, but because you stagger them, it looks pretty cool, I think. What? Fingers crossed. Hang on. I'm a bit rusty. And that's about as well as I can do 4-ball juggling. Incidentally, if you've got 4 balls and you throw them up and you do 4 catches, that's called a flash. If you've got 4 balls and you throw them up and you make 8 catches, that's called a juggle. So just to finish, here's one I made earlier. If, like me, you don't have your juggling clubs handy, I actually got a fly swatter and dipped the top into a pan of boiling water, got some cable ties, and it's actually not that bad for a homemade juggling club. There's the balance point. So we were looking at this yesterday. Look, you're going to kind of hold like this, right? And as you throw, it comes up, does 1 complete revolution, and you use this hand open like this to catch. So you've kind of got all this area to catch in, if that makes sense. Don't know if you can see that. You want to hold your hand wide and you've got that handle to catch there. Okay. or use a kitchen utensil like I did yesterday. So basically, with 3-ball juggling, the trick was to practice going, watch, throw that, and then come on the inside. So the ball comes down on the outside, you throw on the inside, and you practice that for ages until you've got this. The same is true of club juggling, watch. You know, obviously you're going to practice kind of swapping hand first, right, with one spin. When you can do that, you take 2, and you're going to throw this up, and as it comes down, you're going to throw that, and not even necessarily catch it, but catch the blue one. Watch, slowly, something like this. Hang on. Hang on. Okay? That's what you practice first. I'll be back with more tomorrow, okay? Promise to juggle better tomorrow.